Hello everyone! Today we're going to interview some student here at the OMSC Labangan at alamin natin kung meron ba silang kaalaman tungkol sa HIV. Tara! Hello po, pwede ka pong interviewin.
Yes po, pwede naman.
Before that po, what's your name po and age and department?
My name is Siren Antonio and I am currently taking Bachelor of Science major in Hospitality Management and I am 20 years old.
Okay po, this is our question po. In your own knowledge po, what is HIV?
HIV or human immunodeficiency virus is a disease that can get through unprotected sex, and if hindi siya maaagapan, pwede itong mag-cause ng AIDS. Yun lang naman.
Thank you po. Hi po. Pwede po kayong interviewin?
Opo, okay lang po.
Before po is gusto ko lang po malaman kung ano yung name nyo, age and year po.
So, ako po si Rayman Insalde from BS Criminology 4C. At ako po ay 21 years old.
Ito po yung question ka. In your own knowledge po, what is HIV?
So, ang pagkakaintindi ko sa HIV, which is pakikipag-intercourse sa same sex or pakikipag-sex sa kaparehas na kasarian, which is halimbawa female sa female or male sa female. Male sa male. Okay, yun na.
Thank you po. Hello po, pwede po ba kayo interviewin?
So hello po, good afternoon. Yes po, okay lang naman po.
Before that po, gusto ko lang po malaman kung anong pangalan nyo, age and department and course po.
So hello po, so my name is John Lloyd Bitinyo, so from BSDC 3B and I'm already 20 years old po.
So this is our question po. In your own knowledge, what is HIV?
So when it comes to HIV, something that comes into my mind po, ang HIV po is uri po siya ng virus na kung saan yun po is na ipapasa through sexual intercourse, na kung saan kung sino po yung nakikipagtalik na meron pong virus na yun is mahahawa po siya through sexual intercourse or through blood po. Ganun po siya.
Thank you po. Pwede ko po kayong interviewin.
Pwede.
Before po is gusto ko lang po malaman kung anong pangalan nyo, age and year po.
Vince Carter Pangan, age 22, ISM 4D.
This is the question po. In your own knowledge po, what is HIV?
Yung sa HIV, yung aking pag-aalaman lang ay about sa sakit yun yung nakakawa. Mari siya nakukuha sa through yung liquid body fluids or yung mga pwedeng nasasalinan, pwedeng sex or pwedeng basta nakakawa siya sa sakit na maring hindi nagagamot. Yun.
Thank you po.
Hello po kuya, pwede po ba kayo may-interview?
Sige po.
First of all, what's your name po? Age and department?
So my name is Edgar Allen Padua, 22 years old and Sibam department po.
Here's our question po. What your knowledge about HIV po?
HIV. So ayun nga, sa panahon ngayon is madami ng Pinoy na nagkakaroon ng HIV gawa ng kadalasan ay hindi sila gumagamit ng protection about pag nakikipagtalik.
Okay po, thank you po.
Hello po, pwede po ba kayong ma-interview? Yes po. Before that po, can I know po what is your name, age, and department po?
Pangalan ko ay si Jane Irish Abigail Kasunkad and I'm 19 years old from Sibamso, Operations Management.
Okay po. So, this is the question po. In your own knowledge po, what is HIV?
Sa tingin ko, ito po yung napapasa po, ito po yung sakit na napapasa po by sexual intercourse, I guess.
Thank you po. Hello po, pwede kayo ma-interview?
Yes po.
Before that po, can I know your name, age, and department po?
So, hello everybody. Isang makalikasang araw po sa ating lahat. I am Terence Santiago Abos, 18 years old from BS Development Communication 1B, CAS Department.
So, this is the question po. In your own knowledge, what is HIV?
So for me, HIV is a life-threatening opportunistic disease or infection in our country. And for me to avoid that is to let's precipitate our consciousness in terms of HIV or awareness campaigns. So through that, we can empower them as well. Then also LGBT community shall be an active role in awareness campaign, voluntary testing our own magkusa tayo na itest ang sarili natin kung positive ba tayo sa HIV so that we can empower other individuality.
Thank you. Thank you po.